लगन लगी मोरे पिया।
पहली बार मुझे ऐसे महसूस हुआ कि ओ माय गॉड, दिस इज समथिंग आई हैव नेवर डन बिफोर.
लगन लगी
It's an emotional film, it's a thrilling movie, it's got music, it's got everything in it. I felt excited to go on the sets of Dangerous Ishq.
Dangerous Ishq is a very new film. It's something that has never been done before.
Take two, clap.
Dangerous Ishq is about a woman who is a very strong woman who's in search of something and who believes in something, and she wants to go out and achieve that.
It's a crime story that intercuts with her previous lives.
Action. Everything. I liked everything. This shot is fantastic.
भी है।
I can laugh, yeah. But you know, it is a funny thing. It is a ridiculous thing. Yeah.
USP is the script of the film. The script is something which we've never seen in India, or probably, never seen even in international cinema.
It's like a fan and come to Jimmy. From there.
We had the germ of this script. We went to her and she found it very interesting.
He kept telling me, here, this subject of mine, my film is absolutely ready. It's going to be made in 3D. It's a woman-centric, really fabulous character.
And I think audiences want a new story. And Dangerous Ishq is exactly that. It's a very new story. I'm hoping people will like it.
बांध लिया लगन लगी मोरे पिया।
Dangerous Ishq is a title that my writer Amin Haji came up with, not me. He was like, Ishq, Ishq, but we were all like, but Ishq with something, this very risky Ishq, very dangerous. And he was like, Dangerous Ishq. Dangerous Ishq is a good title.
इश्क में रुसवा
Dangerous Ishq is the perfect title for this film because it is actually about the hatred and the dangers involved in love.
प्यार जो है is a chance. It's a dangerous chance जो हम सब लेते हैं लाइफ में. You never know what can happen. So that's why the title, Dangerous Ishq.
इश्क में रुसवा को के चले।
Karisma is someone who I've always wanted to work with. She goes through various lives, trying to figure out who the villain of her piece is, who the villain of her love is. Why is her love not being able to come to fruition in all these lives? So that's why she plays these different roles and different lifetimes.
I play so many shades and there's so many layers to my character because you'll see me in my past lives as well as the modern day Sanjana. एक पंजाबी लड़की के रूप में देखेंगे, एक दासी के रूप में देखेंगे, मुस्लिम यंग गर्ल के रूप में देखेंगे. तो there are many different shades in the film.
मेरे में क्यों बैठी हो?
हमारे हिस्से की जो रोशनी. कट 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 कट.
इश्क में रुसवा
काफ़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ी फिल्म में and I think that was the exciting and challenging part for me.
में रुसवा रुसवा होके चले
लगन लगी मोरे पिया.
Vikram went through a past life situation and he went through past life regression. And I think this is a very identifiable topic for the audience.
लगन लगी मोर पिया.
It's all about your past life. They say it's the souls connecting in this janam. And I do believe in that. And I think my belief became even more after working in Dangerous Ishq. जब मैं एक्चुअली राजस्थान गई, हम जोधपुर में शूटिंग कर रहे थे और एक फ़ैन ने सेंट मी अ नोट कि ऑल योर माइलस्टोन, सो मेनी पाथ ब्रेकिंग मूवीज ऑफ योर्स हैव बीन शॉट इन राजस्थान.
लगन लगी मोर पिया.
और एक्चुअली आई गॉट गूज़बम्प्स बिकॉज तो वही तो आई थिंक देयर इज सम कनेक्शन ऑफ माइंड विद राजस्थान फॉर श्योर.
मोरा जिया बस में नहीं मोरा जिया. लगन लगी.
And Rajasthan is quite timeless, you know, and it has got a feel of a lot of things. It's got only that much action as is required. It's not an action film. It's a thriller. It's a supernatural thriller. There are some very good action sequences.
It wasn't exactly a prank, but he actually हुआ. We were in the middle of the take and silence on the set. Everybody also very tense क्योंकि you know थोड़ा high powered emotional scene चल रहा था. तो in the shot मैं चिल्ला रही हूँ नहीं नहीं stop और वो ऐसे मेरे dialogues भी थे. और by the end of it मैं ऐसे गिर के मतलब मैं गिर गई थी. And after the shot Vikram saying wow very good, but actually मेरा जो टो का नाखून था वो पूरा निकल गया था. And there was blood everywhere and actually I was screaming like stop stop cut the shot, but it was so real that actually that take has been kept in the film. डेंजरस इश्क जो है इज़ अ सुपर नेचुरल थ्रिलर. तो जो वो थ्रिलिंग एलिमेंट है और जो सुपर नेचुरल फील है वो उनको इन्हांस करेगा. सो आई थिंक द 3D हैज़ बीन यूज वेरी एस्थेटिकली इन डेंजरस इश्क.
It's 3D that you enjoy. It takes you to that place. It takes you into that time. the first day working with Karisma Kapoor, who was also doing a film after so long, the initial nervousness, the initial awkwardness. Then I remember calling her. We were shooting in Rajasthan, and all of us were saying these. They were saying these lines with Rana Sa and Rani Sa and this Sa and in that period, and then I started calling Lolo Sa, and that kind of stuck. And she's sporting about it. Rajneesh, we had a great time. So all in all, we had a really good time shooting it.
Vikram and me kind of really connected during the movie and became really good friends. और ये जो फिल्म है काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट फिल्म थी करने में, तो आई थिंक जो एक्टर और डायरेक्टर का जो बॉन्ड और जो मिलन होना चाहिए कि आई फील इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट दे कनेक्ट. Vikram has actually given me such a fantastic role, and like I said कि जो मैंने कभी किया नहीं है, तो I think as an actor it was very appealing and very challenging for me to play these many shades. They were absolutely wonderful. I think Rajneesh is very quiet and so is Jimmy. और actually सभी कहते हैं कि मैं बहुत ही चुप हूँ सेट्स पे, मैं अकेली बैठती हूँ चुपचाप. और यहाँ Jimmy और Rajneesh, they were even more quiet than me. So I actually had to go and tell them कि आप तो मेरे से भी more quiet. So though slowly I think they kind of opened up and they were a pleasure to work with. I just also like to say there are many other young actors in the film, and it was really fun working with them. I think that's a very strong point with Vikram always, that he's had very wonderful, haunting music in his films, and it's always added to his movies.
We wanted music that looked suitable in the eras that it came in. But at the same time, we knew that the audiences of today
What's very interesting and intriguing about the music is that it's very hummable, it's very haunting. At the same time, it's going with the different past lives and eras as well. So I think it's been probably very difficult music to give also for the movie, and the album's really fantastic.
So I think Himesh has the talent to bring both together. He's made songs that look so believable in those eras, in those times.
This is the comeback vehicle of Karisma Kapoor. Simple melodies straight from the heart.
खुद ही दिल का रोग लगाए, खुद ही बैठा.
And we worked very hard on the music. दिल से निकले हुए गाने हैं जो लोगों के दिलों तक पहुंचाने की हमारी कोशिश होगी.
तुझसे बुरा ना कोई.
तुझसे पुराना कोई
नैना रे गाना मैंने, श्रेया घोषाल ने और राहत फतेह अली खान जी ने साथ में पहली बार मिलके गाया है.
खुद ही बैठा रोए नैना रे, तू ही बुरा, तुझसे पुराना कोई.
डेंजरस इश्क के म्यूजिक में बहुत ही अलग फ्लेवर है इन टर्म्स ऑफ मेलोडीज.
खुद ही दिल का रोग लगा रोए.
Covered. You have to uncover. Action!
म्यूज़िक हमने किया है वो बहुत ही कंटेम्प्रेरी और मॉडर्न है, लेकिन डेंजरस इश्क का म्यूज़िक समहाउ बहुत ही इंडियन रूटेड मेलोडीज़ पे, क्योंकि फिल्म वैसी है।
खुद ही दिल को रोग लगाए खुद ही बैठा रोए तुझसे बुरा ना
Finally finished the video of Naina. Very excited.
आंसू बन के छलका जाए दिल का पैमाना, इश्क में है इतने सदमे दिल में ना जाना।
बस दुआ कीजिएगा कि सफलता प्राप्त हो। जय माता दी। लेट्स रॉक।
I feel my journey on Dangerous Ishq has been absolutely fabulous. Just blending everything together into the movie was a very challenging experience, but an absolutely great experience, and I thoroughly enjoyed it.
There's a nice saying that says it's the faith in each other that makes a band. And we were a band of people who saw a common goal and we had a common interest. And everyone has gotten together to make this film really special.
The journey is still on. Let the film release and let the film, get its result. Then the journey would be probably get over.
I think this movie is for everybody. It's not an adult film, it's a thriller, it's a UA film. I think kids will like it. I think the elders will like it, the families will like it.
हम सभी ने बहुत ही मेहनत की इस फिल्म में और सबको आई थिंक करिश्मा कपूर को आज की करिश्मा कपूर देखने को मिलेगा। It will be identifiable with every age group. Because I think the youth would like this strong woman of 2012, while I think people from 1947 will identify with the whole partition time, and then from even earlier that, and they'll think about history, and of course there's a love story and some fabulous music in the movie. So there's something for everyone in this film.
I'm so sorry.
देखा नहीं क्या शॉट की तरह इधर उधर घूम रहे हो?
ये चाहिए शॉट।